Good evening. My name is Cynthia Arriaga, and this is my presentation on the activity Learning Outcome 3. My list of important events include crisis of the Socialist Bloc, which was when the political and economic crisis in the Eastern Bloc intensified, the fall of the Berlin Wall that led to the division between West Berlin and East Germany, and 9/11, which was a series of 4 coordinated terrorist attacks by the Islamic terrorist group Al-Qaeda on the United States. Operation Red Dawn, which was a military operation that led to the capture of Iraqi President Saddam Hussein. The creation of Facebook social networking, which was founded by Mark Zuckerberg and Dustin Moskovitz. And Barack Obama's presidency, who was the first African American to assume the presidency. Globalization is a process driven by international trade among people, companies, and governments of different nations. The reason why it has increased so quickly is because it improved transport and technology, the growth of global media, and global trade cycle. Terrorism is the systematic use of violence to create a general climate of fear in a population used by a wide range of organizations in the promotion of their goals. Terrorism happens because there is inequality and injustice all over the world, and violence seems to be always the answer for this issue. People now believe more than ever that the use of aggression will get them somewhere. A unipolar world is used to describe the power structure when one superpower dominates alone. When the Berlin Wall fell, it brought with it a series of events bringing the period known as the Cold War to an end. We evolved from military multipolarity to bipolarity and to its current situation of unipolarity. The digital era is characterized by technology, which increases the speed of breadth of knowledge turnover within the economy and society. I think this era has influenced the whole world in general. Almost every person has access to internet or to a mobile device, primarily so people can stay connected. With this comes the end of my presentation. Thank you.